How to draw a line in Google Docs. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Now drawing in Google Docs is a little bit tricky, but that's not very difficult. If you pay attention to this 2 minutes tutorial, you'll be able to draw the line in Google Docs. So follow these steps. First, go to the insert, then click drawing, and from the drawing click new. A drawing window pop-up will open up, and in this you will see the bookmark where you will have all these tools. From here visually you can find out the line option. Once you will click that, here you will have the different options, the line with arrow, or a simple line with 2 dots, or an elbow kind of a line. You can draw a line. So you can draw the lines with the help of this tool. If you want to draw a line with arrow, you can also do that, but remember that you need to change its color and its thickness and the size, these kinds of things right here within the drawing window, because once you will export this drawing into your Google Docs, it will be inserted as an image which would not be editable within the Google Docs. So let me show you that. Once I'll press save and close, it will get inserted within this Google Docs document as an image. Right now, as you can see that if I do the double click, it will open up again in the drawing window. Otherwise, within this window there is no option to edit that. But even if you have made some mistake, there is no need to worry. You just can do the double click or click this edit, and you can come back and draw, make the changes within your lines. For example, I just want to keep this vertical line, so I'll just delete all these other lines and press save and close. So this is how you can draw a line in Google Docs. If you want me to make a tutorial on a specific topic within the Google Docs, you can ask me in the comment section below. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.